Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Don't you hate it when you're traveling and you have to mix in your dirty clothes with your clean clothes? I also hate it when I need to pack shoes and the dust and dirt from them get all over my clean clothes. All of those problems have been solved with this ETRONIK Weekender bag. It comes with 4 pieces, and 2 of those are shoe bags, which I just love because I can put my shoes inside those and know that my clothes aren't going to get dirty at all. The bottom section is really convenient because you can use that to put the shoes in, or you can use it as a compartment to place your dirty laundry in so it doesn't have to mix in with your clean laundry. I think it's genius that it has a special pocket that you can put wet laundry in too. There are so many different pockets and compartments. It's perfect for keeping organized, which I also really love because it's easy for a bag just to turn into a complete mess when you're on vacation. I think this beige color is just gorgeous. So I was afraid it was going to get really dirty and dingy, and it does get dirty, but the fabric is perfect for cleaning just with a wet washcloth, and the dirt and grime that was on it from our trip came off very easily. I think this bag from ETRONIK is the perfect size for a weekend trip. I really enjoyed using it, and that's my point of view.